Start by loosening the 2 screws hidden in the network cover. Use a Phillips head screwdriver, quarter turn. Remove the cover by sliding it up off the screws. Disconnect all of the cables connected to the router. Slide the router up and out of the kiosk. Be sure to hold the wires back. Insert the new router into the kiosk. Connect all the cables to the router. Verify that the router power button is pressed in on the on position. Double check that all the wires are connected. Replace the cover by sliding it onto the screws. Tighten the 2 screws inside the cover. Power on the kiosk to confirm it is properly installed.